Don't make me say it. You gonna make me say it? GTII up 74%, $5.31 close, continuing to prove the haters and the bashers wrong. You guys could all suck it. Time after time, you come out and you spread your BS and your lies at 40 cents, at $1, at $1.50, $2, $3, $4. You continue to tell people to sell the stock, try and shake people out because you know that we're going parabolic. Look at that Viagra candle sticking all the way up to the moon. Absolutely insane. Big congratulations to all the people in the Thai Discord, everyone on Twitter DMing me, Bill, Blue, that all got into the stock, that is killing it, making a ton of money. I'm so happy for you guys. That's all I've ever wanted. But I don't know how many times I could repeat myself and tell you the same exact thing over and over again. It's going to run. Don't take my advice for it. Research it yourself. Look into it. I provided 6, 7, 8 videos on it and told you what I thought about the stock. If you didn't buy it now, I don't know what else to tell you. But going into the weekend, this is absolutely tremendous. The stock's up over 500% in the past few weeks. Everyone I know that's DMing me telling me my life's going to be a lot less stressful now. I could pay some bills off. I have a little more breathing room. Amazing. That's what I want. There are people with families and a lot of responsibility, a lot on their plate. So to make their life a little more easier, that just brings a huge smile on my face, really warms my heart. And that's really my big purpose here, is to put everybody on. I mean, I can't repeat myself any more times. Huge shout out to Ham. He's been going hard every single day for 2 years, and all the OGs there. We got a ton of guys, so I'm not going to drop their names, but you guys know exactly who I'm talking about. Big shout out to the OGs there. Ham, like I said again, doing the conference calls, being repetitive nonstop on social media, telling you exactly what you need to know, telling you the facts and not feeding you any BS or garbage like majority of the people are. Okay, those are the people you want to keep around you. So keep doubting them, keep talking shit about them. The proof is in the pudding here. Look at the price action. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? No one thought this was going to go to all-time highs. The company just released news that the warrant's going to come into effect most likely before Friday, which would be some point in time in next week. But I think that's when the fun's going to start. They have over 100 million shares that have to be covered, and we know that they shorted already over 26 million this week. So it's just absolute insanity. It is going to be death by the firing squads for all the short positions. They are not going to survive. If I'm the prime broker, I am shitting my pants over the weekend. I am dialing the phone like there is no tomorrow. Okay. And if these guys aren't answering, which I'm assuming that the brothers are going to be running scared, because there is no way in hell they're paying this off. All right, I'm giving you high energy today. I need to feel it from you guys in the section below. I need you to go crazy in the comment section. Share this video. Let everyone know. Let all the haters know that they are out of their bird for shorting this stock. I'm going to keep it short and simple for you guys. You already know that, actions speak louder than the words. You see the charts. You see what the stock has done the past 2 weeks. So we'll leave it at that. Enjoy the weekend, and we ride on Monday, baby.